In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change privacy settings on Snapchat. Go ahead and open the Snapchat app and sign into your account. Once you are logged in, you will land on the main camera screen. You should see the big circular capture button at the bottom and icons along the top, which tells you are in the right place. Now tap your profile Bitmoji in the top left corner. This opens your profile screen. Here you will see your Snap code at the top, your username, and options like Add Friends and My Story. This is the area where Snapchat groups most of your account and profile controls. Next, tap the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. That will open a long list of settings for your account. You will see sections like My Account, Additional Services, and Privacy Controls. You can scroll this screen, so do not worry if you do not see everything at once. Scroll down to the App and Privacy section. As you move down, watch the section headers. App and Privacy appears below the main account options. This is where Snapchat keeps controls that affect what data is collected about you and how others interact with you. Tap My Privacy and Data. This opens a new screen focused on what information Snapchat uses and how your account behaves around privacy. You should see a list of different privacy-related items, each one acting like its own small control panel. Select the privacy setting you want to change. You will see several options here. Who can contact me lets you decide who can send you snaps, chats, or call you. View My Story controls who can watch the stories you post, with choices like My Friends or Custom. Who Can See My Location manages how you appear on SnapMap, including the option to hide yourself completely. Who Can See Me and Find Friends decides if other users can discover you when they sync their contacts. Who Can Use My Bitmoji avatar regulates where your Bitmoji can appear, such as in friend lists or stickers. Activity Indicator lets you show or hide whether you have recently been active on Snapchat, which affects the little green dot some people see. Select your preferred option. Your changes are saved automatically. When you tap a choice like Friends or Custom, Snapchat applies it right away. There is no extra save button. If you change your mind, you can return to the same setting and adjust it again at any time, and the screen will immediately reflect the new selection. To hide your location completely, go to Who Can See My Location and enable Ghost Mode. After you turn on Ghost Mode, your Bitmoji will no longer appear live on SnapMap for anyone. To prevent strangers from contacting you, set Who Can Contact Me to Friends. That way, only people you have added as friends can send you snaps, chats, or calls. To limit who can view your stories, choose My Friends or Custom under View My Story. Custom lets you include or exclude specific friends, which is useful if you want more control over who sees personal updates. You have now adjusted your key Snapchat privacy settings so your account behaves the way you want. If this helped you lock things down, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Snapchat guides.